Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the source image and WordPress settings. Make sure you upload the highest resolution original. If the source is soft, nothing will fix it. Then, go to Settings Media and increase or disable the max image sizes so WP won't downscale. Once done, install an optimization plugin that supports lossless compression and preserves dimensions. This reduces file size without blurring and prepares you for regenerating properly sized files. Next, regenerate thumbnails so WordPress creates fresh files from the original. Run the plugin across your media library and wait for completion. In the post editor, explicitly choose the image size that matches your theme's display area to prevent browser upscaling. If the theme crops, select full size and let CSS control layout. Additionally, temporarily disable lazy loading for suspect images to confirm whether deferred loading causes perceived blur. Finally, inspect your theme and page builder image controls. Some automatically resize or apply soft compression. Make adjustments so images are delivered at native display dimensions. Purge your CDN and browser caches to ensure updated images propagate. CDNs can serve a cached low-res copy. If blur persists, re-upload the original with a distinct file name and compare. This isolates whether the issue is upload, WordPress processing, theme, or CDN. Fix the specific layer that alters quality.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.